Executive teams face a frustrating paradox. They are swimming in a vast ocean of internal and external data, yet they are starving for actionable intelligence. Pressured to find a lifeline, many organizations deploy artificial intelligence because it is fashionable. This results in a mess of isolated, disconnected investments in analytics and smart applications that lack clear strategic direction. This data visualization compares the high yield of strategic AI integration against the low rate of actual planning. 72% of organizations that purposefully integrate AI report measurable improvements in productivity, yet fewer than half of them actually possess a clear AI strategy. That gap between adoption and strategic intent is incredibly costly. More than 60% of these disconnected AI projects fail, leading to billions of dollars in wasted capital. Delegating artificial intelligence as a purely IT experiment creates a chasm between a C-suite's vision and the daily reality on the front line. To survive, that gap must be bridged. Traditional business excellence models, which focus heavily on doing things right, are a strong foundation. However, relying solely on them is insufficient to maintain a competitive edge. Looking at this chart detailing the stages of organizational maturity, we see a clear vertical progression. To dominate the modern market, organizations move upward from excellent and smart to become intelligent and agile entities. Navigating this transition requires a specific blueprint. The Intelligent Excellence model was designed exactly for this purpose, providing the architecture needed to connect strategic planning with operational execution. The prerequisite for this model is eliminating ambiguity. The entire enterprise must adopt a unified language rooted purely in empirical facts and hard numbers. This hierarchical flowchart visualizes how that unified language moves through a company. Strategy moves through a data-driven cascading process, flowing from high-level objectives down to strategies, initiatives, resource allocation, and finally to frontline policies and controls. This precise sequence transforms AI from an ambiguous experiment into a seamless execution tool, where every level of the organization becomes accountable. This circular diagram outlines the 5 structural pillars of the Intelligent Excellence model. The customer sits at the center, dictating that every operation and strategic maneuver must address customer needs and future trends. The surrounding pillars support that center. The leadership pillar mandates that executives transition strictly to fact-based decision-making and ensure ecological and societal sustainability. In the strategy and operations pillar, business intelligence forecasts future trends and supports agile planning. The resources pillar requires granular management of human capital and physical assets, identifying future needs through data rather than intuition. The technology and social media pillar defines AI and automation as power tools. These assets require systematically measured ROI and strict ethical governance. What brings this architecture to life is data. As a vital catalyst neuron, data must flow seamlessly between these 5 pillars, transforming the organization from a static hierarchy into a living ecosystem. This cyclical diagram illustrates the engine that drives this intelligence. The Pelly cycle forces a continuous loop of plan, execute, learn, and improve, revolving around a core of creativity. Running this cycle processes data signals, so an agile company capitalizes on trends before competitors react. We see this in practice when multimodal generative AI, systems capable of processing text, voice, and vision, is deployed directly on the shop floor. It analyzes proprietary data in real time to help human operators troubleshoot complex machinery on the spot. This focus on the shop floor reveals a specific intent. Excellence in the age of AI depends on augmenting human workers. By leveraging data to remove repetitive friction, the model focuses on increasing human insight, creativity, and impact. Operational agility and predictive forecasting are essential for survival, but they lead to a broader outcome, to all stakeholders, creating happy customers through proactive service, happy employees through clear direction, and strong citizenship within the community. A strategic AI roadmap is the blueprint required to transform an overwhelming flood of data into sustained, agile organizational excellence.